most systems are, the pressure is created by a centrifugal pump. Not all, don't get me wrong, not all. But what happens is that as the flow increases, the pump pressure decreases, and the pressure drop across the pressure, the friction loss through the piping increases. What that does is leave less and less pressure for the control valve to give you good control.
How can the pump pressure decline as the flow increases? It would seem like the higher the flow pushing through the same size pipe, the higher the pressure will be built up at the outlet of the pump.
Pumps have what's called a pump curve. And the pump curve looks a little like that curve we saw before. So when let's say there's no flow, pump's running at full speed, if you measured the pressure at the pump outlet, it would be at the highest possible value. Then as you increase the flow, the efficiency of the impeller in the pump decreases to the point where the pressure outlet from the pump decreases. But it's a function of the flow and its passing through the pump impeller. That's what allows the pressure to decline. Does that answer your question?
I'm going to stew on it for